we will discuss how to show this equation from y equal to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x over x, where a and b are constants. By dividing x to both sides of this equation, we will get x y equal to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, which is equation number 1. Differentiate of this equation, we will get x dy over dx plus y equal to negative a sin 2x multiplied by 2 plus b cos 2x multiplied by 2. We factorize this side, then we will get negative 4 a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. We need to differentiate for second time this equation. Then we will get x d squared y over dx squared plus 2 dy over dx equal to negative a cos 2x multiplied by 2 plus b sin 2x multiplied by 2. Then we factorize this side to we will get x d squared y over dx squared plus 2x dy over dx equal to negative 4 a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, which is equation number 2. Then we substitute equation number 1 into equation number 2. We will get x d squared y over dx squared plus dy over dx equal to negative 4 xy, and then we rearrange this equation. We get x d squared y over dx plus dy over dx plus 4xy equal to 0.
Today we're talking about how to sketch the graph for the function x over x power 2 minus 1. First step, we find the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote. X power 2 negative 1 equal to 0, you will get the x equal to 1 and negative 1. The horizontal asymptote set the limit approximate to the infinity. Finally, you will get a 0. Thus, the vertical asymptote is x equal to negative 1 and 1, and horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0. The second step is differentiate the function. You will get this answer and set the y dx equal to 0. Finally, you will get the x power 2 equal to negative 1, but this is not exist because the x power 2 is a positive value. Hence, dy dx equal to 0 has no solution, therefore the function has no critical point. The third step is d square y dx square, and you will get this answer and set the d square y dx square equal to 0. You will get the x equal to 0 and substitute the x equal to 0 into this function, and finally you will get the inflection point 0 and 0. The next step is find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. When y equal to 0, x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, the y equal to 0. 0, 0, or origin displaces the y-intercept and the x-intercept and the y-intercept. After that, we tabulate a table. We draw the table, the interval, size of the dy dx, conclusion, size of the d square y dx square, conclusion. a point. Negative 1 is a vertical asymptote. It's an inflection point. It's a vertical asymptote. And we set the interval from the negative infinity to the negative 1. Negative 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to the positive infinity. Then we select one number in the interval and substitute into the dy dx and the d square y dx square. The table shows all of the dy dx is a negative value. The negative value means the function is the line is decreasing. For the d square by dx square, the negative value is the concave downward and the positive value is the concave upward. Then we can sketch the graph. First, we draw the two vertical asymptote, negative 1 and 1. And the negative infinity to the negative 1 is decreasing and the concave downward. This is the inflection point. You can draw from this one to this one. This is a concave outward. Finally, you will get the full marks. Thank you.
Soalan untuk chapter 4. Evaluate the integral dx over x to the power of 4 minus 1. Pertama sekali kita factorize x to the power of 4 minus 1 kepada x square minus 1 dan juga x square plus 1. X square minus 1 kita boleh factorize lagi kepada x minus 1 dan x plus 1. X square plus 1 kita boleh factorize. So kita tulis balik. Untuk kes ni kita gunakan cx plus d sebab x square plus 1 ni tak boleh factorize. Kemudian kita darab denominator yang tak ada kat bawah dia seperti a darab x square plus 1 dan juga x plus 1 plus b x square plus 1 dan juga x minus 1 plus cx plus d darab x square minus 1. X square minus 1 ni ialah gabungan antara x minus 1 dan x plus 1 equal to 1. Kemudian kita expandkan dia dan kita dapat a x cube plus ax plus ax square plus b plus bx cube minus bx square plus bx minus b plus cx cube plus cx square minus cx minus d equal to 1. Lepas itu kita susunkan mana yang x cube, x square, x dan yang tadi subjek equal to 1. Kemudian kita equalkan dia dengan nombor yang berada di sebelah kanan. Untuk x cube equal to 0, untuk x square equal to 0, untuk x equal to 0 dan tadi subjek equal to 1. Kemudian kita buat simultaneous equation dan kita dapat a sama dengan 1 over 4, b sama dengan negative 1 over 4, c sama dengan 0, d sama dengan negative 1 over 3. Dah dapat a, b, c, d, kita masukkan semula ke dalam equation. Kita dapat 1 over 4 over x minus 1 minus 1 over 4 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x square plus 1. Then kita perlu integrate dia. Ini 1 over 4 integrate s over x plus 1 minus 1 over 4 integrate dx over dx over x plus 1 minus 1 over 2 integrate dx over x square minus plus 1. Kita integrate kita dapat 1 over 4 ln x plus 1 minus 1 over 4 ln x plus 1 x square plus 1 kita tak boleh tekan dia ln sebab x ada kuasa 2. Jadi untuk 1 over x square plus 1 integrate menggunakan integration by trigonometric substitution. itu kita let x sama dengan tangent theta, integrate differentiate x, dapat dx over d theta equal to secant square theta. Substitutkan dx, kita akan dapatkan secant square theta d theta tangent square theta plus 1 sama dengan secant square theta potong-potong secant square theta dengan secant square theta, kita akan dapat integrate 1 d theta, integrate kita akan dapat theta plus c. Kita masukkan semula sama dengan tangent inverse x plus c adalah 1 over 4 ln x minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over 2 tangent inverse x plus c. Can you please?
Now this is an example from chapter 5. A. Differentiate arc cosecant x squared plus 1 with respect to x. Step 1. Let u equal to x squared plus 1, y equal to arc cosecant u. Differentiate the u, then you get u dx equals to 2x, and dy du equals to minus 1 over modulus u square root u square minus 1 from the formula. Then step 2, by using by part formula, differentiate the equation and sub the value inside it. You get this equation. After that, you expand the x squared plus 1. You get this equation. Then plus 1 minus 1, you can cancel it. And pull out the x squared. You get this equation. Square root x squared, you can get x. Then cancel off the x. Finally, you get the answer. Question 2. Evaluate dx over x plus x minus 1 square root x squared minus 2x minus 3 from the value 3 to 5. Step 1, by completing the square, x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals x minus 1 square minus 1 square minus 3. Simplify it, you get x minus 1 square minus 2 square. Okay, step 2. Let u equal to x minus 1, du equals to dx. Step 3. Sub all the value inside the equation. You get this du over u square root u square minus 2 square. By using the formula, integrate the formula, you get arc secant u over 2. Sorry, it's 1 over 2 arc secant u over 2. Then sub the u equal to x minus 1, you get this equation. After that, you sub the value. 5 minus 1 over 2 and 3 minus 1 over 2. You get 1 over 2 arc secant 2 minus arc secant 1. Then you can get 1 over 2 pi over 3 minus 0, and the final answer is pi over 6. In order to get pi over 3 and the 0, I have write the step to get it. You can pause the video. Thank you.
Okay, so now, soalan dia, find the surface area of revolution of y sama dengan x kuasa 3 between x sama dengan 0 and x sama dengan 1 when revolve around x axis. Bila dia x axis, kita guna formula ni. Surface area sama dengan 2 pi integrate a sampai b y punca kuasa 1 tambah dengan different kan y tadi kuasakan 2 dx. Okay, so y dia sama dengan x kuasa 3. Kita differentkan dapat 3x kuasa 2. Lepas tu kita masukkan je dalam formula. Surface area sama dengan 2 pi 0 sampai 1 sebab dia nak between x 0 and x 1. Masukkan y x kuasa 3 kunci kuasa 1 tambah dengan dy dx 3x kuasa 2 masukkan kuasa 2 dx. Lepas tu kita selesaikan dulu yang ni. Lepas tu kita dapat 2 pi 0 sampai 1 x kuasa 3 1 tambah 9x kuasa 4 dx. Lepas tu selesaikan guna substitution method. Kita letkan u 1 tambah 9x kuasa 4. Kita differentkan dapat 36x kuasa 3. Lepas tu kita susun dia, jadikan du over 36 sama dengan x kuasa 3 dx. So bila kita susun ni, kita boleh tengok kat atas ni ada x kuasa 3 dx. Kita boleh replacekan dia dengan du over 36. Kalau nak lebih nampak, kita susun let log kat sini. Kan ini bentuk dia sebab kita dah let u. Lepas tu kalau kita susun, nampak x kuasa 3 dx. So nanti kita gantikan je surface area sama dengan 2 pi integrate 0 sampai 1 u kuasa 1/2 sebab punca kuasa 2 u sama dengan u kuasa 1/2. Lepas tu kita replacekan je x kuasa 3 dx ni dengan du over 36. Lepas tu kita teruskan, kita keluarkan 1/36, darabkan dengan 2 pi, dapat pi over 18. Integrate 0 sampai 1 u kuasa 1/2 du. Lepas tu kita boleh integratekan u kuasa 1/2 dapat u kuasa 3/2 over 3/2. Lepas tu sebab dia ada limit, kita kena buat dalam kurungan 0 sampai 1. Lepas tu selesaikan dia, kita keluarkan 3/2, darabkan dengan pi over 18. Lepas tu masukkan nilai u kuasa 3/2 0 sampai 1. Lepas tu kita selesaikan dapat pi over 27 10 kuasa 3/2 tolak 1. Kita selesaikan ni tekan kalkulator, nanti dapat 3.563 unit square.